Hey guys, welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this face cream. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started. Here I have my carrot oil soaked for weeks. Below this video, I'm going to drop the link on how I made my carrot oil. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use my strainer to strain my carrot oil. After straining it, I'll keep it aside. And I add my aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. After aloe vera gel, I'm adding a teaspoon of almond oil. I'll also drop the link to the almond oil. After adding my almond oil, I added 2 tablespoons of carrot oil. Carrot is a great moisturizer to the skin, and it also contains vitamin E and C. Then the next ingredient is a pinch of turmeric, and I whisk with my spoon to make sure I combine the ingredients together, and here is the result. So after combining it for a while, and this is what I got, the consistency I got from it. And in a clean container, I pour in my content. So guys, here is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and comment, and also thank you for watching.